Welcome back, everyone. This is Sean Casilli, Bay Real Experts, Coldwell Banker Realty in Panama City Beach, Florida. And today I'm doing a buyer's agent preview on a listing by Crystal Chaillou with Corcoran Group. We're in the South Lagoon, 6607 Sunset, and let's take a peek from the outside here. Sorry about the wind noise. Here's the surroundings of the home. The approach and the driveway here. Got a two-car garage downstairs. And take a peek up the side of the house here. Cute side yard. Got a nice tuck away area for your barrel. Some outdoor chilling areas. I'm going to take you around the backyard first. All right. Now we're going to pop on inside. Start with the first level side entry here. I love these floors. Bedroom number one. Looks like a mini split in here. And a laundry room. Nice cabinetry with folding area. Check out the ceiling in here. I love it. I think this floor is epoxy. I'll have to confirm, but it's a nice look to it. Okay, on to second bedroom here. Oh, this is actually like a little mini suite where we got a kitchenette down here. Cool. Bathroom. And then stairs to the upper level.
Hey, here's more.
Hey, I hear a friendly and familiar voice.
There you are.
Hey, this is Alice de la Penha, also with Coldwell Banker. What do you got up here, Alice?
Master on this side.
Oh,
Looking
let
ahead.
me take a peek around up here first.
Pretty.
This is a little landing at the top of the stairs, and then you pointed this way. What do we got?
Master.
Okay, cool.
Kind of open concept with the bathroom.
Oh wow, yeah.
Cute.
Ensuite.
Yeah. So you have the closet on this side, and you
So you have the shower.
right.
And then the closet behind there.
Yep.
Oh,
And then
cool.
You swing the door
Little
all the way over here.
walk-in closet.
Just trying to find a light switch for that, but I couldn't find it. It's pretty spacious in there.
I gotta see the view from up here. Okay, so you can see Sterling Beach. So the beach is super close, and then about the same distance the other direction would be the lagoon if you wanted to go get your boat out.
You're gonna have a full bathroom over here on this side.
Very nice details and finishes here. I love that they took the tile all the way up to the ceiling in there in the shower. That's very nice.
I know a lot of character. Love the flooring. Love the quartz countertop that looks like marble.
Beveled edge.
Yeah. And did you see the hooded fan right here?
Hey. Hello. Okay, that probably didn't come out as good on video. But... Wow. Yep. Very nice. I love the gray
Backsplash.
backsplash. Pretty cool center island here. And I love this fixture.
Yeah, that's cute.
Okay, there's a dog out on this. Technical difficulties, Alice. Please help. There we go.
Come here, puppy. Hi.
Don't let the dog out. There you go. Right on cue. So here's your view from your balcony out front. And just over that stop sign is where the lagoon is.
Cute, cute, cute.
If you guys have any questions, contact information's down below.
Bye-bye for now.
Oh, this is a part, forget this. Always forget this.
Yeah?
Hit the like button, subscribe button,
Uh-huh.
and leave a comment.
Yeah.
All right. See you guys next time.